First time driving the M5.
Hey, what's going on, you guys? It's your boy Posted. We're back in the thing, in the coupe today, doing a little drive. This is our first real drive since getting the rod bearings finished up. So we're just cruising around, you know, putting some easy miles on her, take her around town. I'm only about 40 miles away from having the bearings all broke in finally. So we're just gonna go ahead and put some nice miles on, have a chat. Before we jump into everything, I want to show you guys this new addition that I got for my car. I'll be taking it everywhere I take my car, and I definitely think everybody else at home should have one of these too. Doesn't matter what type of car you have, you definitely need one of these. It's called the Pezito Dash Cam. The Pezito Dash Cam features a high quality 4-inch HD display, 1080p recording quality, an ultra-wide 170-degree wide-angle lens, perfect to see everything in front of you on the street and on the sides. It also features a rear camera that connects to the main unit so that you can see both behind you and in front of you on the same screen at the same time in a multi-window fashion. It has continuous loop recording, gravity sensor, motion sensor, and audio recording as well. Say for example, you're in a rear-end collision, the person behind you will not get recorded with a regular dash cam since they only face forward. This is where the Pezito system really shines, where you can have a peace of mind both front and behind. The link to the Pezito dash cam collection will be in the description. You get all these great features for $60, and with my code today that you see on screen right now, you'll be able to save 10%. That's a thank you from me to you, for you guys being loyal subscribers, loyal followers, loyal supporters, loyal family. Pick up this Pezito dash cam and let me know how you like it. For those of you guys who watched the last video and saw what bad a condition my engine mounts were in before I got them changed, my mechanic said that I should be able to feel better and more precise shifting from getting them changed. And honestly, I knew engine mounts were like a deal, but I never thought that they would change my driving experience as much as they have. I definitely can tell between first and second and third, my shifts are a lot more tight, and there isn't any like jerk or anything from shifting them. It's a lot smoother than it was before I got them changed. So shout out to Paul for recommending me get those changed. Really has made things a lot smoother. I can also tell from the way the car is humming, from the way, you know, the car has just been behaving in general. It wants to run again. It wants to pick back up. It feels really nice. I don't know if there's any way I can really explain it. You guys would have to have driven the car beforehand and afterhand, but it definitely feels more responsive. I don't know if that's just a placebo effect knowing that the rods have been done now, but I feel like I can tell that the car is running a lot more healthier. Startups are a lot smoother, and of course part of that goes with the oil change, but overall it's just a lot smoother, a lot more tight. That's what he said. But man, what a beautiful morning. Blessed to be able to look out at this lake on this cruise, 10 a.m. in the morning. I'm not really a big morning person. I have to work in the morning, so if I'm not working in the mornings, I usually try not to be up like that in the mornings. But it's definitely nice to take a nice, smooth morning cruise down the lake shore, you know, catch all this early morning vibe with the sunrise coming up here. It's looking a little cloudy. It might rain today. So it's nice that we're catching some of the sun before it rains, possibly. Got the glorious V8 soundtrack in the back. It doesn't get much better than this, you know. Got the ducks out and about, you know. Got these sprinklers on too, man. I'm over here on Dodge. Got people out running. We got boaters out. It's just a nice good old Friday morning. Oh man, this road is all kind of wet, yo. My car clean, so you already know the roads is gonna be wet. Oh, and here we come to a lake. Wow, that's amazing. You gotta laugh when this kind of stuff happens. It's pure comedy. I mean, of course, the sprinklers are all on and everything when your car is just washed. That's just how it's gonna be rolling. And of course, a Dodge Ram gonna roll right through the water as we right here, like he don't give him no care. Just one of them things. Oh man, what a beautiful day. Any day that you wake up is a beautiful day, I'll tell you that much. You gotta count your blessings. For those of my folks out there who are going through some things, feeling like they're stuck in the same place or that they're not making any progress on their grind, keep your head up. Just know you gotta go through some turmoil, you gotta go through some stagnant times to come out on the other side and see the light. You know, it sounds cliche, but that's just how things set up. You're gonna go through some things before you're given the blessings. So keep grinding, keep focused, stay on your passion, keep doing what you love to do, and in due time, you'll be where you're at. In 5 years' time, you look up, you're not exactly where you're at, you're definitely gonna be miles and miles ahead of where you were. So that's all you can really ask for, is that progress. As long as you put in the time, as long as you put in that effort, as long as you keep your head down and do what you need to do the right way, good things will come. Good things will come. And you can't doubt that neither. The more you doubt it, it's not going to speak true to you. You got to speak things into existence. So keep doing the right thing, keep preaching the right thing, you know, keep making your own lane, stay in your own lane. Like I said, all the cliches, but they all true and true. And the reason why it's true and true is because it's a process. And the more you replicate the process, replicate things that go right, replicate things that work, it's gonna work. You don't gotta reinvent the wheel to make things work. You need to follow what works. Now, what works specifically isn't always true to every person, but the underlying truth of the matter is what I said, the cliched things. You gotta put in that hard work though. Just saying it and trying it, that ain't nothing. You gotta be about it 365, 724, you know what I mean? Like, it's gotta be a daily thing. That's a nice XLR up here. Dang, that thing clean. I feel like there's too many people out here nowadays trying to talk about things that they want us to hear, things that they think we want to hear, and that's just not the truth. Y'all know with me, I'm gonna give it to you straight up. I'm gonna give you the raw facts. I'm gonna kick it to you. So, you know, that's just a little 2 cents from me. And I want to see my people eat. I want to see everybody in my community eat. I want to see my people getting on. So I'm gonna give y'all the keys that I got. You know, I'm gonna always be kicking it with y'all here and there. For those who listening, y'all already reached out to me and let me know y'all like that kind of thing. So, you know, I'm gonna keep preaching it for those who listening. And if you ain't listening, then maybe one day you'll be at the point where you can listen. But for all my people out there grinding, for all my people trying to make better life, you know, keep your head up, keep doing what you do, stay positive, and stay away from those lanes, stay away from the negativity. It ain't gonna do you no good. And if you happen to be one of those people who find some negativity in their heart or hate in your heart, it really ain't gonna help you. You need to drop it. You need to focus up and get your grind up. Stop worrying about what everybody else is doing and go ahead and get your bread, because in the end, you got you. You know, you ain't in other people's lives. You need to do you and focus on you. All y'all know I ain't got nothing but love for everybody. The only way people catch up something on the other side is if they don't come correct. Y'all gotta keep a special place of love in your heart for everybody, even the trolls, even the people talking down. You gotta keep a place of love in your heart for everybody, because you gotta accept that some people just can't see 2 inches past in front of their own nose. Like, some people can't catch the whole picture. People helping people out here. It's people networking. It's people grinding. It's people putting each other on. You know, it's people locally supporting each other that really helps, that really pushes each other forward. People putting each other's names in their mouth and passing out the good word. When you put out that negativity, when you put out them bad vibes, you know, other people realize, you know, everybody in the community ain't deaf and dumb and blind. Like, these people in your community who you talking to, talking about, talking with, everybody out here know everybody. It's 6 degrees of separation or less is what I say. Usually it's less than 6. So really, keep the hate out your heart, keep the hate out your mouth. Focus up, get your grind together, make a positive impact on your community. Aside, the car is riding really smooth, really nice right now. Man, them burble tones out the back is smacking. I love hearing this glorious V8 just rumbling. Oh, boop, 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 boop. Oh, yeah. Oh, man, I missed this sound so much. I'm so glad to have her back. Yo, I could literally just ride here in silence for the next 20 minutes and not say a word to y'all and just be in complete bliss. Just got the lake here, the sound going, just the raw drive, feeling the road, you know what I mean? Like, this is my element. Smelling that 93 octane burning through the air. Woo-wee, baby. Made me feel some type of way. Stratus is a heartbreaker, soul shaker.